Hello everyone, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I make Capcut and video editing tutorial, so if you would like to see more of those, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Seems like some people are experiencing an issue where the transition and animation effect doesn't load, including myself. How I end up fixing this problem was to delete my app and reinstall it. The first time I delete the app and reinstall it, it still shows the same issue. However, the second time I delete the app and reinstall it, seems like it fixed the problem here. As you can see now, they are loaded for me. If you are experiencing this issue, you can give that a try. I hope that will be able to fix your problem. If it does not, you can check out another app called VN. It's another video editing app provides similar function like Capcut. If you would like to see any tutorial on how to use VN, make sure to comment down below. With this video, I want to show you how to use the Splice function to remove black screen effect and white screen effect. I will include some black screen effect at the end of this video. Feel free to screen record and use them. Let's start with the first one here, which is the black screen effect. So what you would do is to click on it, click on Splice. For black screen effect, you can either click on Filter or Lighten. I'm not sure if you can tell, with the lighten one, the effect doesn't show as obvious like the filter. A way to make it more obvious is to click on Adjust. You can make adjustment to brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpen. So you will adjust to how you want it. Once you're happy with it, then it's good. So this is how it looks like. This one here was actually a handwritten letters. If you would want to see a tutorial on how to make your own letters and use on Capcut, make sure to comment down below. The next one I have here is a white screen effect. So you will do the same thing. Click on Splice. Except for white screen effect, you can either click on Darken or you can click on Slide. Again, you can always make adjustment to the brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpen if you want. I want to show you another white screen effect. Click on Splice, click on either Darken or Slide. With the slide, you can see there's a hint of black to the background, which can be obvious if you just use it like that. What you can do is either to resize it to full screen, or you can make adjustment to the brightness. You can always make adjustment to contrast, saturation, and sharpen if you want to. So this is how it would turn out. Let me show you another black screen effect. This one is a smoke effect. So again, you would click on Splice, click on either Filter or Brighten. Since this is a screen of smoke effect, you can resize it. You might think, oh, I want the smoke effect to be more obvious. You can make adjustment to the brightness, contrast if you want. Another way to make it more obvious is to copy it and then align the two effects together. That should make the effect more obvious. You can always make multiple effects on the same time frame, or you can change the adjustment of it. That's how you can use the Splice function to remove black screen effect or white screen effect. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider like and subscribe, and comment down below of what you would like to see more. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.